Welcome to this Fit Bounce Pro XL Rehab Series for overall health and wellness. This series is for anyone after they've been cleared by their doctor coming back from illness, cancer, surgery, or if you're overall deconditioned and you have no exercise foundation whatsoever. This is also perfect if you are brand spanking new to rebounding and you need to learn the foundations of rebounding before you move to the next level. This is a 7 workout series. Go in the description box below and I will link each and every video. You can mix and match these workouts to fit your particular day's needs. Now, in this series, I am using this beautiful therapeutic Fit Bounce Pro XL Bungee Rebounder. This is my new gem. This is my new find. I'm absolutely in love with this rebounder. It is half the cost of a Bellicon and Jump Sport 550. This is a mid to high end level rebounder. And no, I am not sponsored by the company, and no, I do not make money from this company. I myself love this company, the customer service. It is a phenomenal rebounder, high quality, half the price of a Bellicon and Jump Sport 550. But look at me. I want you to know it does not matter what rebounder you have. I don't care if it's spring loaded or bungee. This is all inclusive. Just because I'm using this rebounder does not mean you cannot do this foundational series. This foundational series is for you as well. Spring loaded, bungee. It does not matter your brand, your type, your style. Let me repeat, this is all inclusive. I just happen to be using this rebounder for this series. So I want you to know this is all inclusive and everybody is absolutely welcome. So again, go in that description box below and look at all the workouts in the foundational series. I hope you love it just as much as I did creating this series. My name is Angie, AngieFitnessTV, 26 years rebounding expertise, my friend. Any questions or comments, just go in that description box below and you can find out how you can contact me and talk to me one-on-one. All right, guys, have fun with the series.